Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Learn an ideas, knowledge and have fun. Please like and subscribe.
Dear colleagues, what an amazing year. I can call it an amazing year. It was challenging for humanity. It was challenging for all of us. It was challenging for our families. It was challenging for EMAAR as well. But thank God, with your support and your dedication, we did quite well in 2020. You have proven again and again that you are resilient, that you are passionate, that you are full of love and brave to guard EMAAR and guard our people and guard our customers. I want to say a big thank you for every one of you. I want to say a big thank you for your families, with all the love I have in my heart. I do wish you an amazing and successful and a happy and a prosperous 2021 and beyond.
Joinery Works.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice thing, 'cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. Build a seed with the negativity, exercise right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.
It's already a final step.
Go, go, go.
Don't win.
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that can change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad, be okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On the sheet in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Layout and taking actual dimensions, if any adjustments for MEP connections and gas cooking range pipeline. As per layout, the cooking range gas pipeline needs to be modified. After final coat painting, then proceed with the installation. Before installation of gypsum cornice, lay out and mark the equal dimensions between the concrete wall and concrete ceiling. It depends on the size of the gypsum cornice, then install using screws with a plastic plug at both near ends. If the concrete ceiling is uneven level, make an adjustment. Later on, fill with mixed up of gypsum powder and stucco filler. Before closing the false ceiling with gypsum board, ensure all embedded MEP connections are in place and leak test for waterproofing all bathrooms and balcony.
See these kind of things and didn't know what should be happen here.
I do love painting. So when I use the paint, it's just like, oh, it's nice, smooth, texture is fine, smells less compared to others, and easy to apply it.
It's like the best paint which I use. It's actually really silky and it's really smooth. It's silkier than the paints which I used before. There was no droplets and it's easier. It's basically really easy.
This paint is far better, but actually perfect paint for the interior. For this texture, I feel very easy, and for this thickness. You can take a little bit amount and you cover a lot for this thickness.
We feel that we finish our work in only one coat, because in other paints we apply 2 coats.
I can recommend the paint to others to use that kind of paint because it's perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.